Greetings everyone. In this video I want to talk about messing around with soulless programs.
Greetings! This infinite source truth is made possible by the generous contributions and support of viewers like you. Please consider making a contribution now. Thank you.
Some of you are making choices to play around with soulless programs. Now, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Well, that's duality for you. But let me make a suggestion. Unless you are on the highest frequencies, I suggest you not messing around with soulless programming because you're not qualified to. You're not a programmer. And messing around with soulless programming because you want to play the game and mess around with them is not a wise decision to make whenever you are in the box frequencies. Recognizing them for what they are and nudging is fine. Out and out messing with them to see what their reactions will be may end up pushing some buttons in the program that you would best not push. Okay? Some of you might be doing it just to play around because you want to see what happens. Well, you might see what happens and it may not be what you like. Okay? Now, how long you can go about doing that without there being a price to pay? Well, you really need to be asking your source self if you should be doing this stuff. You really do. Will it benefit you? Or could it actually end up hindering you or affecting your journey by doing so? Some of you have soulless wives and you're testing them or you're doing things to mess with the programming. And you may find yourself being programmed out of their script and at a cost to you because of your messing around. Now, you just need to be aware of that. Now, those who are doing the things that I'm talking about here, you know what I'm talking about because I'm talking directly to you. And others of you, you don't have any idea, and that's good. You shouldn't have any idea. You need to keep it that way. Enjoy the journey, but I strongly suggest that you not challenge or tweak or mess with the soulless programming if you are on in the box frequencies, which means until you get to zones 10 and 11, which are outside the box. Don't tamper with those programs. You don't have the authority to do so, and you are not a coder. If you're in that box, well, you don't have the authority or flight permission to go there. This goes with a lot of you trying to, I'm going to say, wanting to share this information with others to benefit them, other source players. You see, you don't have the clearance to go there. And you say things and people start thinking that you're, Anyway. Don't need to go there, but I think you get the idea. If you don't have the security and you don't have the frequency and you don't have the abilities, then it benefits you to not tamper with the programming or the script other than your own. Enjoy the journey and create your best life yet for yourself from the choices that you make. That is most beneficial for you. You can do this. Yes, you can. And experience your best life yet. So if you have found the videos that I have done to be beneficial to you, then it benefits you to do an energy exchange using PayPal or Patreon as a way of saying thank you for the energies that I have put out there for you. It is a frequency issue and a frequency unlock within you. You get out of these videos what you put into them. Abundance, health, and prosperity to you.